Hello guys, this is Forex Teacher. In today's video I want to give you a weekly analysis. It's like a focus for this coming week. So today it's 26, it's a Sunday, so the market is going to open maybe midnight or Monday morning. So this weekly analysis is for the week, this coming week, from 27 January to 31 January. So the reason why I'm making this short video, I want to share with you guys some of the trading tips and also my trading strategy, and also some of the trades that we took this previous week. So to get started, I want to talk about this coming week. I'm looking to I saw some trading opportunities. So normally I prepare my charts to see if there's anything that can be tradable like the coming week. So I noticed the on pound CAD. Yeah, all right. So I'm using this trading system that draws the boxes that if it's green I buy, if it's red I'm going to sell. So this, as you can see here, you can see there's a signal on pound CAD. I'm looking at a 1 hour chart. That's actually my favorite for now on this pair. So I'm looking to short this trade because I got a sell signal. All right, I'm looking to short this trade. All right, so what I normally do, I look at the previous support and the resistance. So here I'm looking that it might go as far as this resistance here. All right, or it can even pass and keep on going to this support. All right, it's not resistant, sorry. It might go to this this support. All right, so the reason why I'm taking this sell trade, or why I'm looking to take a sell trade here, is because my trading system is telling me, is turned red, so it's telling me that this is the time to what, to sell. All right, so if you want to be successful in forex trading, you need to know that you don't need to know what the market is going to do for you to make money. Everything is about probability, so there's no way that you are going to know exactly what is going to happen, which brings us to this topic. You will never be 100% right or correct in the forex market. No one is right or correct in the forex market, but the market is always correct. So sooner or later you're going to find out what it means. If you don't take your time to accept it, it's the market is going to correct you about all that hallucination or those hopes that you have there. So here I'm looking to sell, so my sell zone should be somewhere around, I'll buy anyway within this box. If the price goes into this range when the market opens, if the price does not go, I'll sell, sorry, I'm going to sell anyway within this red box. All right, as long as it's still showing me a red box, which brings us back to this, you guys, you need to have this trading system for you to know if the market is still in red. All right, because in some occasions the market can just create a, it can just go above the box and then just create sort of like a candle, and then soon after it comes back. So you can't be setting like those other, like you can't be setting the buy above them, because you don't know if it's going to activate the buy. Is it still a buy signal or it's a sell signal? As long as it's a red box, you stick to sell. So for you to be successful in forex, you don't need to have any conflicting thoughts of whatever you're looking at, which is why whenever I get a sell signal, I don't care about where the market is going, right? What I do is I focus on the trading system and on the opportunities that are there. So by me filtering the this thing of conflicting thoughts, I'll be also filtering the fear of losing or of missing out. Those are two main things, two main reasons why most of the traders are losing money: the fear of losing out, and then the fear of losing money. if you are a forex trader, you have to accept that you are going to lose some of the trades and you are going to manage the winning ones, right? So you don't have to fear losing a trade. Don't get attached to the money. If you are still attached to the money, you are not a forex trader, and I think you should look for another business that does not include you having to invest money or losing any money. Forex trading, it's a 50-50 chance that you are going to win them some of the trades, you are going to lose some of the trades. But the advantage with the forex trading, you can actually decide when to exit the trade if it goes against you, and also when or where to put your targets. So for this example, looking at this chart and this trading signal here that is generated here, I'm looking to sell in this let me just put a box. I'm looking to sell anyway in within here, within this, right? That will be the signal. I can also still sell even if the price goes up here. All right, so I'm waiting that when the market opens here, if the price reaches here, as long as it doesn't close above this, I don't want the market to close above the above 1.7265, because once it closes above this line, it means it's going to go the opposite direction. It's going to generate another signal, which is a buy signal. So my stop loss should be 1.7265, and then I can sell anywhere in this box, all right, anywhere in this range, all right, as long as it doesn't close above this price. I can sell up to even I can sell from 72.55 to 71.75. So this is a sell area here, all right, because I know that if the price touches here, sometimes the price can just go above there and then it doesn't change the color of my box. As long as it's a red box, I'll still stick to sell. All right, so what I'm trying to say here, I know some of the times that the price can go let me just use the proper tool. So the price can go above here, as long as it doesn't close above this line here, there's 1.7265. I'm going to look for sell opportunities only. All right, so this is I don't want anything to conflict with what I believe or what I think is going to happen. All right, so if you have any trading plan, you should make sure that your trading plan is based on logic, not on fears, greediness, and the fear of losing, fear, greediness, and then the attachment to money. I'm looking to sell. This is a sell opportunity. I also checked another USD JPY. This is also giving me a sell opportunity right here. So I'm looking also to sell from this price. If the market opens, I see a 109.27 to, I can even extend it to above here to 109.991 or 92. This is the sell area. That's where I'm going to take my sell trade. All right, this is my sell area. All right, so when the market opens, I'm going to check this. So I know that if the market closes above this green box on this price, if it closes above 110.10, it's going to generate a buy signal. So I'll be looking to buy in that area. If it generates a buy signal here, I'll be looking to buy. All right, so I'll be looking to buy if the market keeps on going and close a candle above 110.10. That's a buy area. All right, if the market opens and it's within this range from 109.92 to 109.27, that's where I'm going to take my sell trade. All right, so here we are looking at sell, nothing else. All right, so you should always know that the reason why I'm giving you a buy opportunity there and also a sell opportunity is because I'm looking at the trading system, and this is logic. I'm not just guessing. All right, so if I'm going to sell here, I'll also first check my stop loss on which price I ended on, right? And what do I want to, you can manage your losses on what you can lose. So if I want to put a 30 pips, if the market goes up here, there's no need for me to be, I can just put above the previous high, which is about 35 pips. All right, that would be my stop loss if I take above here. But if I take the trade below somewhere here, I also reduce the trade size so that I'm able to put that big stop loss. I can even put a stop loss of 100 pips as long as I've reduced the risk. All right, so I think you guys, you need to also have a risk calculator so that you know how much you are risking. Risk a certain percent, it's going to tell you how many pips you need. All right, and what lot size you are going to use. So since I don't risk less than 1:1, if I take my trade below down here where the price is right now, and my stop loss is above here, it's above around 85 pips, I'm going to risk at least 85 pips or more. So here I was going to put the target, I'm most likely to put the target around here. All right, so that it keeps on at least it hits the support here. All right, so I'll be looking to take my profit on 107.80, and then my entry is anyway within this range of 109.25 to 109.92, and my stop loss will be above 110.10. so if it closes up on the above that line, above the targeted stop loss, I'm going to look for buy trades, and then my stop loss will be below 109.27. It will be below this red box. So I know it's confusing if since you don't have the trading system. That's why I'm saying, guys, if you want this trading system, you need to contact me, and I'll give you the directions, how you get the system, how it works, how to install it, and all the other things that comes with it. So this is also another trading opportunity. This is New Zealand JPY. So from here, the price right now is currently at 72.21. I'm hoping that when the market opens, it's within this range. All right, so if the market opens and I see there's it's within this range here, this is where I'm taking my sell. My stop loss, remember, above the previous green box, so I'm just going to simply put here. All right, so if you have this trading system, you can also put your stop loss. Let me just, if you have this trading system, you can choose to just take the trade right here and put your stop just above if you want to be conservative, right? Just above this red box. Most cases you find out, like in this case, let's look at this case. Like in this case, you see that when the trade generated the signal, when it was generated right here, if you had put your stop just above the red box, it never went to hit the red box. It kept on going, and you could have easily made about 150 pips. All right, so there were very good trading opportunities that were there also this previous week. Unfortunately for us, we didn't make much was in the signals that I sent to the group, because I think I sent this signal here. This was a sell signal. I was hoping the market was going to go our way. All right, but unfortunately for this was a losing trade. It just went to stop us out here, and then it came back down, and then after that it's created a buy signal. All right, so right now from this way I'm looking to buy. You find out that this is a pound pair. Most of the time they'll be going same direction, but since they are not going in the same direction with the pound out, for this one I'll be looking to buy. All right, sorry, I'll be looking to buy. This was a sell signal that was generated, and then this was a losing trade because it didn't go our way. So I just want to take this time and remind you guys that you are not going to win all the trades, so you should stop dreaming of making money all the time. But if you check here, our previous trade was a losing trade, but if you check the previous one, this was a whopping good win, about 280 pips compared to what you are losing here, which is just a few pips. All right, so I did not say this was a trading opportunity that was there this past week. All right, but I did not send this signal in the group. So I encourage you guys that you should get the trading system so that you trade at your own time. All right, because when this signal was generated, I was fast asleep. This was 3 a.m. all right, but some of you guys, if you are in Asia or US, you might be awake by that time, so it's easier for you to take this trade if you have the trading system. All right, so me, I was waiting. By the time I woke up, I think it was around the that day I woke up a bit late. It was around here, so I just hesitated to get in there. I wanted it to go below so that I can take it from way down here, so that I get it at least a discount. There was also another good trading opportunity on gold. All right, so with gold right now, this is a signal. We didn't send this one in the group. You see it went all the way about 130 pips. I also took this trade on some of the managed accounts. I think I have one here. Yes, this was the gold trade that I took. I didn't send it in the group. We made $870 on this trade. And then also this is the signal that we send, that I showed you earlier on, the pound, which was the pound Aussie. This one here, this was the trade that went and hit our stop loss here. All right, so I do not hide anything. If it's a losing trade, it's a losing trade. There's nothing to hide. But this past week, the signals that were sent in the group, most of them, they were losing trades. I think we got 2 losing trades. All right, so I know if you're a beginner trader, you think that losing money, or if I'm losing when I'm sending a signal, it means I don't know how to trade. It's actually part of trading. If you're a forex trader, you have to accept your losses. If you don't accept your losses, you are going to run into serious problems. So for this past week, there was also this signal here on Euro JPY. This is a trade that we missed. This was a sell signal. The signal was generated right on top right here, so I was going to sell anywhere within this range. All right, you see that I was going to say sell anywhere within this range. All right, and it went all the way 160 pips. All right, this is a Euro New Zealand. I also missed this one. This past week, it was ranging around here. This is still the sell zone. This is still the sell zone, all of this. All right, you remember what we said, our stop loss on the above this red box or above here. All right, depending on when you where you manage to get in the trade. So for you have to calculate the stop loss. If you ended here, it was easier for you to put the trade here on 40 pips or put the 80 pips stop loss here. All right, but if you ended below down here, you might end up having to just put it here. All right, you can't put it above here. It will be 125 pips. So you should learn to accept that there's no losing if you don't put any trades. So don't risk and put a very big stop losses. If the trade was already passed without you entering into the trade, you should just forget about it. There are many trading opportunities that are going to come, so you can just wait for the market to retrace, or you wait for a new signal. All right, so if you also check here, this New Zealand US dollar, it hasn't been moving much. It was sideways. So why I love this trading system, when the market is moving sideways like this week and the past week, it started going sideways on the 10th of January. It's still going sideways after 14 days. So to me, this is just a sell trade here. All right, you remember what we say, our trading system tells us to, it told us to sell right here when this box was formed. Anyway, within this range we're going to take the sell trade. So you can see that if you took that trade up here, this was going to be easy 85 pips. All right, we also have Aus US dollar. This one, the signal was generated here on the first box, and then it went all the way 110 pips. So there are so many trading opportunities that you can get, guys. You don't always get the trading opportunities, but I can say you can always get the trading opportunities, but you don't always get in those trades because you don't know when it's going to happen, and you are not awake. The market is awake 24/7. So you find out, you go to sleep, and then the signal is generated, right? You are going to take some, you are going to miss some. So this video, I just want to bring the awareness that it's not all the time that you are going to have all these trading opportunities, right? Sometimes you have to wait for the signal to fully generate or to retrace so that you enter the trade. Like if you were asleep like in this time, or you were outside of your office, you come back, you find the price is down here on euro US dollar 1.1097. There's no need for me to enter the trade here unless it retraces into that sell area. All right, so if it retraces it into this area, remember our stop loss is always here or above, right? It's actually up to you on when you enter the trade, where was the price, also the risk management that you want to use. This was just another easy trade that was there. This is a 4-hour chart. This was 120 pips. So you find out that you had to wait for about 3 weeks, because it was sideways last to the previous week, because you see there's a period separator here. This week it only moved from here to here, which is about 70 pips. All right, it was still a sell signal. So I don't want to make this video very long, guys. Take your time, learn how to trade properly. You should learn to accept that forex trading, you are not going to win all the trades, and for you to win, you need to stay focused, and you need to have patience and discipline. So with that being said, thank you for watching. If you find this video very useful, please don't forget to like and share with the others.